Hello, Mr. Josh here. In this video, I'll explain the very British word, barmy. Before that, would you like to win 5 hours of Skype lessons with me? Simply subscribe and leave a comment for this video to be entered into the draw. Details are in the description below. Now, back to the video. Barmy is a kind way of saying that someone is more than a little bit crazy. My Uncle Fred still dresses like a 1960s hippie even though he's 80 years old. He's a little bit barmy. People that support and follow the English cricket team are known as the Barmy Army. Not surprising really, because anyone that can watch a game for 5 days that still ends in a draw must be more than a little crazy. A slight variation on the word is Barmpot, but it has a slightly more aggressive feel to it. My boss got so drunk at the office party that he woke up the next day in a bus shelter. He's a total Barmpot. Don't confuse balmy with balmy. Balmy is used to talk about the weather in the UK. It refers to a summer's day when the weather is pleasant and warm, which is about twice a year. If you enjoyed this video, you should try one of these.